Do you want to stay safe on the internet and you have been searching VPNs? Then ExpressVPN is something that you have come across. But do they have no log service? Do they really store the logs? Are you really anonymous? Well, in this video, we are going to talk about ExpressVPN in detail, and we are going to take a look at all the features and why this VPN is something that I personally use. So let's start with the first point is the independent audit reports. Now, with reference to the audits conducted by firms like KPMG and Cure 53, ExpressVPNs has no log policy. So everything is volatile and there are no logs of the connection. Plus, it is RAM only policy. So that basically means everything that is done is on your RAM, or the servers are running on the RAM. So that makes it even more volatile. So separate audits have been confirmed and done by various companies like KPMG and Cure 53, which basically indicates no log policy. If we talk about VPN comparison chart, that is the chart which compares price to feature ratio for various VPN providers. I'll give you a detail in the description. But if we talk about transparency reports, you might be shocked to see that the company's history with legal request and their inavailability to provide user data due to server architecture is really great. So even if there are some legal consequences, and even if there are some requests made for the logs, the transparency reports talks a lot about it. And if we talk about post quantum research, that is technical resurface to the integration and the encryption that is used, it uses cha 20 protocol, and it also works on the best encryption, that is 256. And if we talk about the security and a small verdict about the ExpressVPN and their features, it's quite simple. In terms of security, it's excellent. In terms of speed, it's very high. I'm getting almost 250 Mbps speed. It has ad blockers and password savers and tracking blockers. For streaming, it's the best VPN. You can also get a dedicated IP, and they have worked on their pricing, but yes, higher than average pricing, but often you will get discount links. Same is provided in the description. By the way, this VPN also provides you with a lot of other features, like you can use it on your phone and up to 10 devices, and there are lots of locations. So do check the link provided in the description.